Hi, today we're looking at this aromatherapy multifunction fan. This is packed with such neat benefits that you are sure to be pleased. It is a small compact fan that can be plugged right into a light socket, so then that way it can work as a light. You have an LED light here and then also as the fan, and the best part is you're able to remove this and then be able to put scents in there. So here is the first one that they do give you. So you are able to take it out, put it in that hole, and then when that fan turns on, you're able to have the scent that you want and be able to give you that relaxing atmosphere. It is 5 blades. It's going to have multiple speeds. It comes with a remote, so you can put it up high and not have to worry about changing the speeds or the color of the light. There is 2 types of light. There's white light and warm light. You can change the dimness, the speed of the light by 3 different speeds, all kinds of features that we are going to look over and show just how neat it's going to be. It has the nice angle ball rotation there, so then that way you can loosen this part here, rotate it to exactly what angle you need, and then once you get it at the angle you want, you can tighten it and it'll stay that way. There's also the spot right here, so if you want to make it a 90-degree angle, you can do that as well.